Alrighty, in this video we're going to take another look at mid-segments. This time we're going to use the properties of mid-segments to set up equations and solve for x. So we're going to toss a little algebra in here. Remember, the mid-segment connects two midpoints of the sides of a triangle. So R is the midpoint of GH, S is the midpoint of HI, and you can tell that by the markings because the markings tell us that both sides are congruent. Alright. So here, and again, they've tossed in some extra information that really isn't part of the problem, just to confuse you. This has nothing to do with it. You can ignore it. Here, we have that RS is going to be half as long as GI. That was one of the properties of the midsegment, that it's half as long as the side that kind of is parallel to it. And by the way, these two sides are parallel. So we've got 2 times RS equals GI. That's our setup. So we go 2 times RS is x plus 19 equals GI, and that's 31 plus x. And remember, when you write this 2 times, you've got to put this in parentheses because it's not just 2 times x, it's 2 times x and 2 times 19. Everything in there gets multiplied by 2. Let's start out then with our distributive property. So we've got 2x plus 2 times 19 is 38 equals 31 plus x. I want to have all my x's, all the terms of the x on one side. So I don't want to have this x over here, so we're going to take it away. Minus x. I want to put a minus x over here. That leaves us with x plus 38 and equals 31 over here. Now I want to isolate the x term by eliminating any other terms. And we'll also eliminate this 38 by subtracting it. Eliminate 38 over here, and that leaves us with x equals 31 minus 38, which is negative 7. And we're done. So the setup is, we set up our original equation, and I would write it out, 2 times the length of segment RS equals the length of segment GI. Go ahead and set it up that way from the beginning so you establish what the relationship is first, then go ahead and fill in with your expressions. Let's take another look here. Next door, we've got FG and CA. And FG is the midsegment, so 2 times FG equals CA. And then we'll substitute our expressions here. 2 times FG is 2x minus 9, and CA is x plus 12. So first thing I'll do is use my distributive property to open up these parentheses here. 2 times 2x is 4x. 2 times negative 9 is negative 18. And we have our x plus 2 over here. Otherwise, x was 12. Then I want to have all of my x terms on one side. Currently I have x terms on both sides, so let's get rid of one of them. We'll take away this x. Of course, we have to take away x from both sides. 4x minus x is 3x. We still got our negative 18, and we still have our positive 12 over here. I suppose we really have to write plus 12, but whatever. All right, next we want to isolate the term that has the x by eliminating any other terms on the side that has the x. So we're going to eliminate this negative 18 by adding 18. So we got 3x here equals 12 plus 18 is 30. And finally, we're going to isolate the x itself by dividing by its coefficient. Of course, we do it on both sides. And that gives us x equals 10. All right. So again, establish your relationship right away, then substitute your expressions, then solve for x. Good luck.